Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. May all the peace and blessings of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Today, as you can see, we have two problems. That is problem number 1 and problem number 2. Problem number 1 is from mathematics form 1. Problem number 2 is from mathematics form 2. But we will not be just replying to the question, and we are going to do a bit of some deep analysis into that particular topic or particular specification. Now, let's look at the first question. The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 24 times the size of the exterior angle. Now, class, how to find? Formula for finding sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles in a regular polygon. In a regular polygon is gotten as 180 into bracket n minus 2. That is how we get the sum of the interior angles in a regular polygon. That's the formula. Now again, how can you get the exterior angle? How can you get the exterior angle in a regular polygon? In a regular polygon class. Now the exterior angle in a regular polygon class is gotten as 360 divided by n. Now we are told when we multiply the exterior angle 24 times, we're going to get the interior angle. Now let's form an equation equalizing the two through multiplication of the exterior angle by 24. Now it will be 360 divided by n multiplied by 24 will give us 180 into bracket n minus 2. And that will be very simple. Divide by 24 first, divided by 24. You make your work easier. Now it becomes 360 out of n is equals to 180 divided by 24. 180 divided by 24. That is 7.5. 7.5 into bracket n minus 2. The next step is multiply through by n times n. This one becomes multiplied by n. Now it becomes the 60 is equals to 7.5 n squared. 7.5 n squared. Now because 7.5 times n, 7.5 n squared minus 7.5 times 2 that is 15n minus 15n. Very good. Now let's change this equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c shall give us 0. Now it becomes here, let's come here now. Now it becomes 7.5 n squared minus 15n minus, now this is positive, when it crosses it becomes negative. 360 is equals to 0. Now I can see 7.5n will divide through 360 divided by 7.5, that is 48. Now it becomes n squared minus 2n minus 48 shall give us 0, because 15 divided by 7.5 is 2 and 360 divided by 7.5 will give us 48. And this is now a quadratic equation. Now how can we continue solving this quadratic equation again? That is the question that I want us to delve deep into it. Now let's use the formula minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now that becomes minus b, because now it becomes positive, plus minus b squared, which is 4 minus 4 into bracket. Our a is 1, our c is minus 48 divided by 2. Now it becomes 2 plus minus square root. Now it becomes 48 times 4. 48 times 4. This is negative 48 times negative 4. That's positive. 48 plus 4. Now it becomes 196 divided by 2. Now it becomes 2 plus minus square root of 196 becomes square root 196 becomes 14 over 2. Now next thing is 2 plus 14, 16 over 2, that is 8. 2 minus 14 becomes minus 12 over 2 minus 6. Now we take the positive one. Now we say n, therefore n will be equal to 8. Now name the polygon, that is A. Naming the polygon, it is called octagon. The name of the polygon is octagon. Now, that is done. Suppose you are asked the size of one interior angle. Formula for finding size of one interior angle in a regular polygon. The size of finding one interior angle in a regular polygon is given as 180 into bracket n minus 2 divided by n. When you divide 180 into bracket n minus 2, you get the sum of the angles. You divide by the number of sides, then you get size of one angle of a regular polygon, and that is it. Finally, question number 2. Now it is cube root 9 power 4 will equal to 3 power n. Class, do you know that cube root can be written in form of a power by raising power a third, square root power half, fourth root power quarter. Therefore, we can write this one and say 9 power 4 into bracket power a third shall give us 3 power n, step 1. Now let's reduce this to base 2. Now it becomes 3 power 2 into bracket 4 into bracket power a third shall give us 3 power n. Now multiply everything, that becomes 8 over 3 shall give us 3 power n. Now basically the bases are same. Drop the bases and equate the powers, dropping the bases and equating the powers, you're going to get 8 over 3 equaling to n. Now for n is equals to 8 over 3, which is 2 whole number 2 over 3, and that is the final answer for that problem, and the value of n is 2 whole number 2 over 3. Wish you the best. Have a nice day and blessed weekend. Thank you.